Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted files on your Windows 11. There are so many software that you can try to use it, like third software that can like recover your deleted files. So for example, let's try to access one of a famous app is as data recovery. So you can recover the lost, deleted, formatted, corrupt drive files completely and easily. But I want to tell you right now, not 100%, but maybe like 80 until 90%. But it is worth to try. For example, you can try to use the free one first before you try to buy it. You can try to use the free one, like you can try to if you buy the premium, you can enjoy all the services. But if you download the free one, you can only enjoy one or two services that this app offer for you. And there are other software, for example, like Tenorshare. This is also free one. Recover the lost, deleted, formatted, corrupt drive data. So you can follow the instruction from this app. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.